Tito Raymond! Hinong-hinong! Hello, baby Shine! Hello, hello!
Picanto palang pangalan mo, mami. Picanto.
Tayo, tayo. Oh. Upuan ni Baby Shine. Upuan. Apa, 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 apa. Apa, apa, apa. Apa, Baby Shine, apa. Apa, apa, apa. Apa, apa, Baby Shine, apa, apa, apa.
Yeah, they really stuck to it.
Upo, upo, upo.
Oh, yes, I'm so excited. Sober.
Upo, upo, upo.
Introduce the next word. Get it, honey. The last two times we introduced the word, I ended up saying, you know what, and setting up the pie machine.
Oh, but this word is different, Bert. It's in Spanish. Bring in the next word.
Thank you, Flo. You got it, honey.
See, Bert, our next word is amigo. That's Spanish for friend, like you and I are amigos.
Yeah. Wait a minute, amigo. There's more to this word amigo than just amigo.
Oh, I see what you mean. You mean if I take these first two letters and put them away here, and I take these last two letters and put them away, I can take the letter I and make the word I. Yes, I can.
Yeah, there's another word, Ernie.
Well, okay, yes. If I were to put this out of the way and take the A and the M and
Tayo
put
ka
them
mo.
here, then I would have.
Tayo ka mo.
Am I having fun? Yes, I am. See there, Bert?
Me.
Bakit tumanda ka mo yung dyan?
Me. Tayo.
Ay, tayo ka na. Tayo.
What's the problem here?
Tayo. Hindi pa. Upo.
You
Tayo
want
muna
me
tayo.
to take this
Batawa mo
letter
muna yung bote mo kasi
G,
ka na eh.
yeah, and this O over here, put that there, and make
Umayos ka.
you know what.
Galing.
And we all know what happens if you say that word.
And I'm
Tayo.
not going to say
You're
it.
not going to say it.
I'm not going to say it.
You're not going to say what?
Go.
Apa, 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 apa. Upo, upo.
Apa. Tayo.
Pasalitan, upo.
Say. Sabihin mo nga, apa. Apa.
You better move on to
Apa.
the next act. Same with you, buddy.
Sabihin mo sa ikaw mo isa. Hindi mo ba pwede ipaliwanag? Ha?
Upo na doon, upo. Upo.
Yung Panasonic, mami, nasaan? Upo! Ay, tayo? Yan.
Tutuloy. Shine! Baby Shine! Angan ka lang.
Ayos lang.